Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove all reposts on TikTok at once. Alright, let's begin. At the time of recording, TikTok does not have a built-in feature to delete all reposts at once. However, you can request TikTok to add this feature by reporting a problem. First, open TikTok on your device and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the pop-up, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Support section and tap Report a Problem. Choose any topic, as it does not matter which one. After selecting a topic, scroll to the bottom of the screen, where you will see the question, "Is your problem resolved?" Tap No. A new option will appear, saying "Need more help?" Tap on it to access the TikTok help desk. Here, you can send a message requesting the ability to delete all reposts at once. TikTok will reply with a message stating that they will note your feedback for future improvements. Currently, you can only remove reposts one by following the steps TikTok provides. So that's basically how you can remove all reposts on TikTok at once. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.